So today we're in Silver Lake with Christine Blackburn.
Welcome to my neighborhood.
And she's going to show us around. It's going to be a little different today. She's going to show us Silver Lake. It's one of the hippest neighborhoods in LA.
It's the hippest neighborhood.
And
Jefferson, I live here. Of course it is.
Tell everybody what we're going to do.
Okay. I thought what I would show you guys are a few different parts of Silver Lake. There are a couple of green areas, including the reservoir we're about to see. And then I thought I would show you more the urban part of Silver Lake, which probably makes up most of Silver Lake, you know, because we are in a city.
Well, let's photo walk Silver Lake.
Yeah, shall we?
Let's like start.
He had his studio technicians and his actors and actresses living when they shot here at Walt Disney Studios, which is now Gelson's. Yes, that's right, Gelson's Wine Bar. Yeah, it's right off Hyperion Boulevard. Okay, there is no Silver Lake. There is a Silver Lake Reservoir. Since 1926. That's right, 1926. Still in the neighborhood. It's home of good food. And you guys, if you're ever in Silver Lake, you got to check it out right here on Sunset Boulevard.
Change a lot, huh?
Well, you know, I think that, you know, changing your clothes is the spice of life.
Right. It's what Silver Lake's all about. Right?
It's what Silver Lake's all about. You know what I mean? And this is Los Feliz, but that's just adjacent.
Right. Thank you for showing us
Thank
Silver
you so
Lake.
much for coming to my neighborhood.
So we saw the reservoir, and we saw
Yes.
Millie's Cafe, and a whole lot of hipsters.
And a whole lot of hipsters.
The old Disney first studio right here in Silver Lake.
We did it all, is what happened.
Okay, thank you so much, everybody. If you'd like to hear more about Christine, be sure to go to Storyworthy, her great podcast, and
Podcast.com and Screwed Up Stories. So we're all about the storytelling.
any other links you want to tell people about?
You know, at ChristineBlackburn.com, that's where it gets very comprehensive. Do you know what I mean? So we've got one, ChristineBlackburn.com, and then everything else, it just comes to you. JeffersonGraham.net. If you'd like to hear more about Silver Lake. Of course, if you enjoyed this video, please like, please share, please comment. Look for me on Twitter at JeffersonGraham. Christine is? On Twitter? Oh, at Storyworthy. And hit the bell.
Yes. Hit the bell. Thank you so much. And stay tuned for more Photo Walks videos. We'll be back at you with more adventures from Southern California. Thanks again, Christine.
I always wanted to say that.
Yeah?
Hit the bell.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you.
Let's go on a walk.